Jasmine, and today we're gonna cook an amazing dish, Italian inspired, using Lillys Fresh Pasta ravioli. We're gonna choose a plant-based vegan option that they have, and then we're also gonna do an Italian sausage one for people that aren't plant-based. I'm super excited to be using the vegan one because it's hard to find vegan options out there. We're also gonna make a tofu nut cashew cream. When I saw the ravioli, I knew that I wanted a sauce, and you can definitely do like a pesto or a traditional tomato sauce, but I knew that I wanted to do something like different, and my cashew cream is so amazing and I feel like it's gonna go really great with it. And then we're gonna do some amazing sides with the ravioli. We're gonna bake butternut squash with an amazing seasoning and bake it at about 425 degrees for about 40 minutes and flip them halfway. We're also gonna do some green beans. We're gonna steam them and we're gonna saute them with a little bit of sesame oil and garlic and top them with a little bit of cayenne pepper for a little spice and a little kick. I hope that you're ready. This meal is gonna be so amazing and so delicious, and let's get started. All right, first I wanna show you guys the different ingredients that I have for today. Obviously, we're gonna use a medium to large butternut squash. We're gonna chop that up and like slice them into like medium size pieces. We have the fresh green beans right here. We're just gonna rinse them, chop up the ends, steam them for a little bit, and then saute them. For our cashew tofu nut cream, this is optional. You can add tofu and you don't have to add tofu. I like adding tofu because it boosts up the protein. I have some nuts, raw nuts soaking in this water. You can leave them soaking for like an hour or so or overnight. I've done it with cashews, I've done it with Brazil nuts, I've done it with macadamia nuts. The only nut that I probably wouldn't use is walnuts. Then one of my secret ingredients for the cream is tahini. Tahini is amazing. And we're gonna add about a tablespoon or two to the mixture. We're gonna add 1 to 2 cloves of garlic because garlic is what's gonna give it like that kind of cheesy taste, like that smoked cheesy taste. Then we're gonna add about half a lemon or a whole lime, and it's just gonna give it a little bit of acidity. I think I've used vinegar in the recipe too if I didn't have lime or lemon, and I think that's fine too. Then we're gonna flavor it with salt and black pepper, and maybe optional is nutritional yeast. So nutritional yeast is amazing because it does have that cheesy nutty flavor. So I feel like if you're trying to go for that cheesy taste, I would definitely add nutritional yeast, but you don't have to add it. You can either go really simple with this recipe, or you can add the extra optional ingredients like I do and just make it over the top and a little bit more diverse. Like, it's gonna taste really diverse on your palate. And then the final 2 ingredients are the Lillys Fresh Pasta's ravioli. So they're always made fresh. So when you order them, you have to keep them frozen until you're ready to use. So after this, while I'm cooking everything else, I'm gonna stick them back in my freezer. All right, the butternut squash is done and it came out perfect. And we're also done steaming the green beans. Now we're gonna saute them and we're gonna transfer them to a non-stick pan. So now we're gonna put the ravioli into the boiling water and cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes and then plate them. And we actually did about 8 minutes for the other ravioli, so it depends on how soft you like your pasta that the cooking time will vary. Oil. The green beans are already cooked and they're super healthy, so this is going to be an amazing side to offer to your clients along with the butternut squash. We're done with the plating now. We're gonna do a taste test, and I actually have a very special guest. I have my mom over here and she's gonna come try the ravioli with me.
Okay.
Hi. This is my mom.
They're very, very good, Melissa.
Bon appetit. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching this video and cooking with me for today. In my opinion, I think this is a beautiful dish for your clients that are looking for variety when they're going to a restaurant and looking for something to eat, whether they're on their health journey and trying to find something more healthier, whether they're on a diet or they're just looking for more plant-based options, and they really care about what goes in their food, because Lillys Fresh Pasta is made with clean ingredients and it's made super fresh. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you liked this video and that you got to see how I use different kind of ingredients to pair with the ravioli. Bye.